Hello everybody, welcome to Embedded World 2025. I'm Max Cavazzana and I'm here at the Analog and Sensor Demo Station with onsemi solutions. So we have two distinct demos here on the station. One is an iToF long-range sensor, which is combining a real image, laser illuminated, with a real point cloud of the distance of each pixel from the camera. The resolution of this sensor is 1.2 megapixel and it gives you the flexibility of a standard image sensor with a standard MIP interface, but with the addition of the iToF functionality, which is really helpful in applications such as autonomous robot, anti-spoofing, security, these kind of things. So as you can see, what you see here is actually the point cloud that is created by the sensor itself. Here below we have the single per Ethernet solution from onsemi, which is a single chip controller plus physical layer of a 10BASE-T1S single per Ethernet running on a twisted pair. Here we are transmitting video, so a pretty tough amount of data to transmit, and we are receiving the video here. So one of the functionality of this, one of the peculiarity of this device is the capability of each node to understand if there is already a transmission of the data, so to avoid collision of the data running on the same line. And here we can demonstrate by turning the function on and off, which is the difference in the quality of the video transmitted. If you need more information about one of those two demos, you can contact one of our expert, analog and sensor expert across the EMEA organization. Thank you.